Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up Zelle with Chase Bank. First, open the Chase mobile app and sign in to your account. Tap Pay and Transfer, then select Send Money with Zelle. Tap Get Started. You may need to agree to Chase terms and conditions. Choose your Chase account and add your US mobile number or email address and tap Next. Enter the verification code sent to your phone, then tap Next. You can also add up to 5 email addresses for more flexibility. Tap Done or send or request money, and you're ready to use Zelle with Chase. And that's it. That's how to set up Zelle with Chase Bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.